Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to Robinhood Wallet. Now step 1 is open the application of Robinhood and go to this section, which is some type of crypto, and just click on this crypto emoji and you will be sent to this section called crypto. And inside the crypto you just need to find the XRP. So you can just scroll down and find the XRP, or you can just click on the search icon and find the XRP coin and select it. And once you have selected the XRP, make sure to scroll down, and once you scroll down you will be seeing these kind of options: either send, receive, buy and sell. And from here what you need to do is just click on the sell button, and once you click on sell you will be sent to this page. Just enter the amount, like how much do you want to sell or how much do you want to transfer. So from here you can just enter the amount, and after that click on continue. And once you click on continue, they will ask you to enter the deposit address or the wallet address where you want to deposit or send. So from here you can just click on enter manually, and after that they will, yeah, like, you will be sent to this page. So after that you can just open the Robinhood Wallet application, and once you are onto the Robinhood Wallet application you can just click on these three lines on the upper left corner. And once you click here you will be seeing this kind of like information. So from here just click on receive, and once you click on receive, after that they will ask you choose crypto to receive. So from here just make sure to choose XRP. Just search the XRP and select the XRP, either this one. And once you select the XRP, after that they will give you the deposit address of your XRP. After that you can just click on copy and go back to the Robinhood app and paste your address on this page. And once you paste the address, just click on review. And once you click on review, they will ask you to swipe up to confirm your deposit or transfer. And once you swipe up, your transfer will be done. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.